Limokong Area Protection Committee Women's Wing, on behalf of the 29 villages inhabited by Kuki-Zo community, took up this democratic form of peace rally to address the following point. The main purpose of today's rally is, our team is to seek to expedite our Kuki-Zo political solution. हम अपने राजनीतिक समाधान में तेजी लाना चाहते हैं। एक बार और दोहराना चाहती हूँ आज का थीम, we seek to expedite our Kuki-Zo political solution. हम अपने राजनीतिक समाधान में तेजी लाना चाहते हैं। For the
has always been our demand since the start of the conflict in May 2023. We have been fighting for justice for the past 1 year. In a democratic country, we are urging, requesting the central government to hear our voices. The law and order situation inside Manipur has deteriorated so much. The Meiteis have been radicalized from top to bottom with hatred for the Kuki-Zo community. They somehow feel that they somehow truly believe that they can wish away the Kuki-Zo people from Manipur by labeling us as illegal immigrants. Civil war has now turned into the government war on Kukis. It can only end with the state commandos forcing, stopping attack on Kuki-Zo under the false narrative of a war against Kuki militant. Our community stands for justice and we fight for justice. We don't claim land we don't inhabit or our own under the Constitution. We join the fight for justice. All right-thinking citizens of India and the people around the world, hear our cry. We want justice. The Kuki community want justice. We have contributed to the Indians' freedom. हमने देश के आजादी में भी योगदान दिया. I would like to highlight that our community is a peace-loving community. In spite of several attacks by the Meitei community, we never go back and attack them. We don't even kill them brutally like they did. We spare them instead. We even spare the domesticated animals. They only got killed when they come and attacked us. When they come to kill us, that is when they get killed. We never cross the buffer zone. We never cross a border. We are committed to maintaining peace and harmony in our region. But if our sisters and mothers are molested, paraded naked, or raped, we can't be silent. We cannot be a mute spectator when our mothers and sisters are being raped. हम कब तक चुप रहेंगे? हम पीस चाहते हैं, हम हार्मनी चाहते हैं, लेकिन हमारे माताओं को, हमारे बहनों को अगर नंगा परेड किया जाए, नंगा घुमा दिया जाए, उनके शरीर के ऊपर छेड़छाड़ी किया जाए और बलात्कार किया जाए, क्या आप चुप रहेंगे? हम चुप नहीं रह सकते. We are peace-loving community. लेकिन when our own people are being raped, when our own people are being molested, we cannot be quiet. We cannot be quiet. We have to raise our voices. हम अपने आवाज उठाएंगे अपने लोगों के लिए, अपने बहनों के लिए, अपने भाइयों के लिए. के साथ नहीं रह सकते. As I have mentioned earlier, we are a peace-loving community. We only defend ourselves. That is when the Meitei get killed. We never attack them. Brutally attack tribal people, showing no mercy towards women, children, toddler and senior citizens. This inhuman behavior is unacceptable and must be condemned. The Arambay Tenggol append their signature in blood as the highest form of complete allegiance to not stop fighting the Kuki-Zo until they are completely destroyed. The zone implies an unbreakable contract, no matter until the convicted goal is achieved. How can we live together with these warmongers? Peace is separation from the people who hate us. Peace is separation from the people who hate us. It's high time the central government intervene before it escalates beyond further repair. I repeat myself, it's high time the central government intervene before it escalates beyond further repair. Save Manipur by giving us separate administration. administration for the Kuki community. Once again, save Manipur by giving separate administration to the Kuki community. We want peace. We want to live in peace separately. हम अलग-अलग शांति में रहना चाहते हैं. हम अलग-अलग शांति में रहना चाहते हैं. The trauma of 3rd May 2023 and its aftermath will haunt the psyche of the Kuki-Zo people in Manipur forever. And it is our endeavor to ensure it never happened to us again. Never again. After over a year of complete separation, where state governments show no care and concern for our people, following the state-backed ethnic cleansing of Kukis from the valley, it is high time the center institute a separate administration for the Kuki district. Our MLAs and ministers don't feel safe to go back to the assembly. Our people working in the government secretariat don't feel safe to go back. Our Manipur University or other universities or colleges in the valley, our faculty, academic staffs, research scholars don't feel safe to go back to the valley. Our police officers and civil servants no longer feel safe to go back. We have separated geographically, demographically, ethnically. So some form of separate administration is a must to ensure the right to a life and liberty for the Kuki-Zo tribal under the Constitution of India. Once again, we have been separated geographically, demographically, ethnically. So some form of separate administration is a must to ensure the right to the life and liberty for the Kuki-Zo tribal under the Indian Constitution. Since every violence has been abated by the state government, there is no question of going back to our homes, our workplace in the valley, because who can guarantee that whatever has happened won't happen again? We are humble people. The Kuki-Zo are humble people, but we will not tolerate injustice beyond a point. We are very humble people, but we will not tolerate injustice beyond a point. Nobody has a right to deny our desire to govern and serve within our own territory under the Indian Constitution or beyond. Once again, nobody has the right to deny our desire to govern ourselves within our territory or under the Indian Constitution or beyond. We have had enough of ignorance. We have had enough of arrogance. Total separation for total and lasting peace. Hence, we duly call on the concerned authorities to abide by the international human rights obligation to end the continual persecution and atrocities committed against the ethnic Kuki-Zo tribal minorities by giving credence to their long-endured political and constitutional injustice and expedite their political and constitutional justice. It is imperative now that the government of India takes immediate cognizance of the socio-political reality of the Kuki-Zo ethnic tribals in Manipur and immediately initiate tangible political measure to safeguard our fundamental rights and expedite the installation of an administration separate from the communal government of Manipur as the only means to usher in permanent peace between the two communities in the state as a good neighbor. Once again, our main purpose for this peace rally to come together today is to seek to expedite our Kuki-Zo political solution. हम अपने राजनीतिक समाधान में तेजी लाना चाहते हैं. Kuki-Zo people have suffered too much. हमने बहुत अधिक कष्ट सहा है पिछले 1 साल से. We contributed to India's freedom. हमने भारत की आजादी में भी योगदान दिया. We are a peace-loving community. हम शांति प्रिय समाधिया है. We can't live with warmongers. हम युद्ध फैलाने वालों के साथ नहीं रह सकते. And last but not the least, we want to live in peace separately. हम अलग-अलग शांति से रहना चाहते हैं. हम अलग-अलग शांति से रहना चाहते हैं. This is our appeal to the center government.